An obstacle facing law enforcement across the state is now gone. A new state law will allow officers to apply for and obtain a search warrant for someone who has a confirmed felony arrest warrant.
Or a misdemeanor arrest warrant for domestic assault. 2 News anchor Sharon Phillips found this is making survivors feel safe and more protected.
What I survived was an attack.
Anna is a domestic abuse survivor. Because charges weren't filed against her abuser, we're only going to use her first name. But sadly, her story is all too familiar. I discovered her life changed forever when she says someone she loved aggressively turned on her.
Just ran across the room and tackled me to the floor and strangled me to the floor. And I really thought it was over. This was an incident that it took me a very long time to recover from, because I believed in that moment I was going to die.
Following the attack, Anna spent years recovering from tremors and trauma.
And the way that I reacted and responded in that situation, when you don't see it coming, you haven't been in it before. And as a female, I could have fought or could have done a lot of things. I just froze.
Earlier this month, Governor Kevin Stitt signed Senate Bill 1660 into law. Tulsa Police Lieutenant Justin Ritter was a big part of this process.
Tell us kind of how that came about. You were a big part of this.
One of the guys, Adam Durike, that works with fugitive warrants, contacted me and basically noticed that we had a problem with not being able to arrest people that had violent felony warrants when they were in a third-party residence.
Ritter says before, a suspect could simply go into someone else's home that was not related to the crime and hide out in the third-party residence. This would leave the officers without probable cause to write a warrant for evidence.
What do you say to those people who are against this and they say, well, that's disrupting the people in the third parties' homes' lives?
Well, I get the concerns of citizens that are worried about, the third party being their sanctuary and not wanting the police involved, which is specifically why this law is written the way it is. It specifically says violent felony warrants, meaning an affidavit has gone through the DA's office and a judge has signed off on it, so there's probable cause to arrest this person for a violent felony warrant or a domestic violence warrant or a bench warrant.
Anna says this is a huge win, not only for law enforcement, but for domestic abuse survivors like herself.
The feeling of being protected and an obstacle being taken out of the way for the sake of women is a huge win. I think there's so much that women need to feel safe and protected in our society and our culture, and it will start with laws changing.
Anna is turning her pain into purpose. She now works as a counselor dedicated to healing others. Sharon Phillips, 2 News Oklahoma.
That new law takes effect on November 1st.